Hello, children. How are you? Welcome back once again. In this English class, children, we are going to understand the story of the good seed in a better way. Your teachers have already explained to you the story in your live English class, but I will explain the story in a simpler form through this video. Okay? So please be ready. In the coming slides, I am going to narrate the story of the good seed in a simple manner for you. Children, as you can see in this picture, it is a picture of a beautiful palace. So, our story also begins with King Chang sitting in his palace on his throne, and he has some very deep thoughts as to who is going to be the next king of China. So, let us continue with the story of King Chang. Children, King Chang was very old. He was very old. So, when someone becomes old, what happens? He becomes tired very soon. He is not able to work very efficiently. So, same way, King Chang was an old king. But you know, children, he was very honest and very dedicated towards his work. He worked very hard, and all the people in his kingdom were very happy with him. So that is why now, when he became old, he did not have any children. So he was wondering who will become the next king after me, because he wanted that whosoever becomes the king, जो भी राजा बनेगा, should be very honest and hard working like him. So suddenly, he thought of an idea. What happened? He got an idea. What did he do? He invited all the children of his kingdom to his palace. जितने भी बच्चे उनकी kingdom में थे, he invited them all to his palace. All the children from all directions in his kingdom gathered in his palace. And you know what? जब आपको भी suddenly teacher says, okay, everybody come inside the classroom all together, then what happens? You all are very surprised, na? Same way, when all the children gathered in the palace, they were all very surprised. They did not know what is happening. They did not know why the king has called them. So everybody gathered there and waited for the king to tell them something. Now, after calling all the children to the palace, the king had a surprise for all of them. Now, every child was so enthusiastic. Every child was very happy that the king has called me. There must be something very special. But no one knew what was going to happen. Why were they called? So, what did the king do? The king gave them all some flower seeds. What did he give them? He gave them some flower seeds, seeds of different types of flowers. And there was a little boy by the name of Ping, a very cute little boy. he also got a bag of seeds, a very small bag of seeds, not a very big one, a very small pouch of seeds. And he was also very happy to get that bag of seeds. But children, did anyone know what they were supposed to do? No, no one knew. So the king told them, okay, you all take these flower seeds, and now I am going to tell you what you have to do with them. Children, when the king had called the children to the palace, it was spring season. Okay, so during the spring season, what happens? You have beautiful, colorful flowers all around. And the king had also given some flower seeds to the children. Now he told the children, okay, you take these flower seeds home, take a small pot, and plant these seeds into that pot. And look after these plants in the next spring season, that is next year. When we have spring season, by that time your flowers would have grown big and colorful. You will bring your flower pots to the palace, each one of you, and show it to me. I will see the flowers, and whichever child has the best beautiful colorful flowers will become the next king. Oh, that was amazing. The children were so enthusiastic. Come to think of it, becoming a king, Raja Banna. Wow, it was a great feeling. So, what did everyone do? They all ran back home, and they all planted the seed accordingly. This little boy Ping also took the seeds home. He took a small pot and planted the seeds in the soil. He watered it every day, but it was all in vain. All in vain means, children, there was no use. The seeds did not sprout, there was no sapling. So he thought that maybe the pot is small, that is why they are not sprouting. So he changed the pot. He took the soil and planted the seeds again in a bigger pot. And the same process, he watered it every day, he took care of it, but nothing happened. This process went on and on. Every day he would water the plants, he would look after the plant very nicely, but nothing happened. No sapling sprouted. Okay, he was very unhappy. He was very sad. It happens when you want to do something very happily and you think, okay, if I do this work, then I will get a very good gift. Mama or Papa has promised me a gift. I have to do this work. But you are not able to do that work properly. Then you feel so sad. Oh, I have not been able to do the work so nicely. Now I will not get the gift. So Ping was also very unhappy, but he could not help it. Now the whole year passed. Again, springtime came. And what happened? Ping's spot was still empty. When spring came, all the children were so happy and they carried their flower pots to the palace. But Ping was very sad because his pot was empty. There were no flowers, leave alone the flowers. The seeds had not even sprouted. So he did not want to go to the palace. But his father told him that you have worked very hard, you have taken care of the plant, you have done your job very sincerely, so you must go to the palace and show it to the king. So Ping understood what his father wanted to tell him. He took the pot to the palace. The king was very happy to see so many beautiful, colorful flowers. But when it was Pink's turn, Pink showed his pot to the king, and he told the king that he had taken good care of the plant, he had watered them every day, but there were no results. And what he told the king? His statement was, "This is all I could do, Your Majesty." Now, Pink was very scared that I have told the truth to the king. Now, king is going to be very angry on him. But what happened? The king was not angry, but so happy to hear what Pink had said. And he announced that Pink was going to be the new king. Now, this was a very, very big surprise for everybody. The children were thinking, but the king had said that whichever child brings the best flowers will become the new king. And Pink's pot is empty. Why is he going to be the king? Then the king told them that Pink deserved to be the king because he was very honest. Pink had told him the truth. And you know what, children? The king had been very cunning. The king had given the children boiled seeds. Children, like you take rajma. If you take raw rajma, kacha rajma beans, and you plant them outside in the soil, they will start sprouting. They will have small saplings. But if you boil rajma and try to plant it, will it sprout? No, it will not sprout because it is cooked now. So the king had given boiled seeds to the children to see how honest they were, to see whether the children will tell them the truth or not. And what happened? Every child was telling the lie because boiled seed to sprout nahi hota hai. So all children were telling lies. They had not planted the boiled seeds. They had taken the other seeds and planted so that flowers could come. But what did Pink do? Pink planted the same seeds which the king had given, and because they were boiled, it did not sprout. So he proved to be a very honest and truthful child and had done a good job. So he deserved to be the king. And everyone over there started shouting, "Long live the king! Long live King Ping!" And this is how little Ping was declared the new king of China. That's all, children. I hope you enjoyed the story. Okay, now, children, I have prepared the PDF of question answer and exercises of this chapter, which I will be sending to you along with the video. So, what you have to do is you can do those question answers and exercises in your English notebooks very neatly, and then either you can get it checked by your teacher or do as your teacher instructs you to do. Okay, children? And one more little activity which I am telling you to do is that you also take a few seeds and plant them. Water those seeds, put them outside, let them get sufficient air, and then you see you will also have some beautiful flowers in your pots. Okay, so with this, now I end the story. Children, look up the PDF, do the work in your English notebook, and have a great day. Okay, thank you, children, for giving me your ears and listening to the story very attentively. Hope you must have understood the story. Bye bye. Meet you again with a new presentation next week. Okay, bye bye.